Welcome. If you want to enter one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at the first you have to go for the settings, next tap on search pool and type hand. We have to use one-handed mode from the advanced features. Tap on the switcher, then click right here, and as you can see we can use the gesture or the button. I think that the button is the easiest way to enter this mode, so when we switch we have to double tap on the home button, and as you can see right now we are in this mode. We can reach a very part of the screen very easily, much easier than it was before. We can also resize the size of this up. We can move it on the left or the right side, and if you want to close this mode or just move it on the upper section of the screen or the bottom, you have to tap on the black arena outside to turn it off. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.